Polyester 65%, cotton 35%. Made in US. Change the look of your Snoogle without changing the way you sleep. Fits Snoogle Original Total Body Pillow. Sham-style, machine washable cover. Pillow not included. Love your Snoogle and need an extra cover? Our Snoogle replacement cover fits just like the original removable, washable cover. No zippers or buttons for total comfort from head to toe. Pillow not included. Top reviews from the United States. Great price. Great pattern and price. Cheaper than buying in store. Very happy they sell cover replacements. I love this pillow so much, purchased when I was pregnant and now I cannot sleep without it. It is difficult to put on, but that is very much due to the shape of the pillow. Adding anything like a zipper would just make it very uncomfortable. Considering how you sleep and can position this pillow in any way, you want comfort all around. Great purchase, highly recommend.